Today we're in Germantown, Wisconsin, and we're doing an inspection on an asphalt roof. Some people ask, well, how do I know my roof is actually old? So we're taking a look, doing an inspection, seeing what elements are old, what elements are good, and letting the homeowner know what condition their roof actually is in. So if you come over here, we can take a look. So the first thing we generally look at is accessories. You can see they have ridge vent here, which is in good shape. It's not deteriorated, it's not buckling, it's pretty straight still. So that means the nails on top, which are under this ridge line, are still into the framing and not pulling up. The second thing we're going to look for is just at the general shingle face. So you can see there's not a lot of waves. There's no shingles buckling up like this, which would indicate a nail pop. All of them are still sealed, other than like this. There's a few areas that aren't sealed, but that's general wear and tear for a 10-year-old roof. And then if you look up closer, you can see there's some granule loss in certain spots. This could be a few things. It could be either hail damage, or just wind abrasion, or potential marring from when we were working on the roof, and those granules get worn off. And the bad thing about this is once those granules are worn off, the fiberglass matting underneath is showing. It's exposed to the sun, which those UV rays deteriorate the asphalt, kind of how asphalt road deteriorates over time, and then the fiberglass shingles eventually leak. So these are a bunch of bad spots. There's a few, which is normal. If there was a lot more than this, we'd probably say something of note, but this is just typical. So we're going to take a look at the rest of the property and then see if we can find anything else, but this roof's in general good shape.